Hello, she. Hi, she. Wait, I can't hear you. You are on mute, she. You're on mute. You're on mute, she. Oh, yeah. It's okay now. Can you try to speak? Hi, she. Yeah, I can hear you now. So, how's your day? How's your day, she? Are you okay? What did you do today?
In in the morning, I watch TV mm,
And
in in afternoon I go to swimming pool.
Oh, okay. This afternoon you will go to the pool. Why? What's the weather like in your place? Is it hot?
Yes.
Oh, I see. That is why. Now, let me share my screen, and for today, we will have the continuation of our discussion, which is all about clothes. Okay, so for a moment, let me go here directly. Okay, can you tell me what's this? She?
This is the pajamas.
Okay, yeah, pajamas. Now, what about this one? What's this?
This is shoes.
Okay, what about this one? What's this?
This is uh
This is what we wear if it's cold. See, it's thick. It's, do you know it? Coat, coat. Okay, so this is a coat. Okay, now, next one. What about this?
this this is shoe. This is short.
Okay, yes, these are socks. And this one we have.
This is a hat.
Yeah, this is a hat. Now let us have this one, and in here I want you to tell me what they are wearing. Okay, let us start with the first person first. Okay, can you tell me what is he wearing?
He's wearing a sweater, a hat, a a short, and a shoes.
Not a short, right? Not a short because this is considered as plural. She would say shorts, even if it's only one. Okay. Shorts. Okay, so in here we can say he's wearing. Okay, he's wearing a hat, a sweater, shorts, socks, and shoes. Okay, there you have it. Now, what about for the next person? What's she wearing?
He's wearing a a she's wearing a t-shirt, je- jeans, shark, and short
Okay,
hat
socks.
and boots.
Okay, yes, very good. She, that is right. Or you can start first by talking about the things that are singular, okay? So like for example, t-shirt and hat. Okay, so she is wearing a hat, t-shirt, jeans, socks, and shoes. Okay, so you can say that she's wearing a hat, a t-shirt, jeans, socks, and shoes. Now, let's last one. What is she wearing?
She's wearing a t-shirt and and jeans.
Okay, yes, very good. A t-shirt and jeans. Thank you. Now, next one, let us have, oh, this, it's just the same. Okay, let us have this one instead. What is Alex wearing?
He's wearing a sweater, jean, and jean.
Okay, yes, very good. He is wearing a sweater and jeans. That's right, she. What is Alex wearing?
He's wearing pajamas.
Very good. She, that is correct. Why are you shy? That is right. Okay, next one. What is Maya wearing?
He's wearing a hat, t-shirt, short, and shoes.
Okay, socks and shoes. That's right. Now let us have this one. Okay, look and find. Oh, this one's too easy. Wait, let me just encircle some items and you have to name them. She, what is it?
This is a a, a card.
Okay, yes, a coat. What about this one? What is it?
This is a sweater.
Very good. What's this?
This is a skirt.
Very good. She, what is this?
This is a hat.
Okay, do you know what this is? This one right here. Do you know what that is in English? This
This
one.
glass.
That is not a glass. That is mirror.
Gương.
Okay, that is it. She. That's correct. Now, let us have another activity. We're done with lesson 21. So we'll move on to lesson 22. Okay, we have here colors. Can you tell me what is your favorite color, she?
My favorite color is pink.
Oh, it's pink. I see. Me too. I love pink. But most of my things, she are black and white. I don't know why. Okay, so now we'll have exercise one. Look and listen. Okay, so let us read this one directly. You will be Miss Brown and I will be Alex. Okay, can you read the first one?
What is your favorite color, Alice?
I like yellow and green. How about you?
I like many colors, but my favorite color is blue.
Okay, yes, there you have it. Very good. She. Now let us have this one. What is it, she?
Mm,
What is
this,
it? It's do you know this one?
mm,
Yeah, it is a cup, she. It is a cup. Okay, the other one that we have talked earlier, that is hat. But this one is a cup. Okay, it's a red cup. Okay, my cup is red. Now, what about this one? What is it?
this is bike.
Okay, yes, this is a bike or what we call bicycle. Do you have a bicycle, she?
Yes,
Oh, yes, you do. Who gave it to you? Who gave it to you, she? Okay, let me translate it. Who gave it to you?
um, the bike at my home. Uh,
Did your mom gave it to you? Give it to you?
that
Oh,
my
dad. Okay, that's very thoughtful. Okay, next one. What are these?
this is yellow shark.
Okay, can you say socks? Socks. Socks.
Sharks.
Okay, yes, these are yellow socks, or my socks are yellow. Now, what about this one? What is it?
Uh, this is black. Uh, and
What is it, she?
I
You
don't
have
know.
you have to put it on if you ride your bike. It's a helmet. Helmet. Okay, so my bike helmet is black. Do you have a bike helmet?
No,
Oh no, you don't. That's okay. Now what about these? What are these?
this is white shoes.
Okay, yes, very good. These are white shoes. These are white shoes. Now let us have this one. Can you tell me what color are her shoes?
Uncle, uncle. Tôi bán à? Phải đi đâu?
Uh,
Tôi làm đi bán không?
her shoes
Ừ.
is red.
Are? Mm-hmm. Okay, now in here we'd say are she. Her shoes are red because see in here it is a pair of shoes. So it is considered as plural. We'd say are, not is. Now what color is her dress? What color is her dress?
Col
Do you
uh,
understand the question, she?
yes.
Okay, what color is her dress? Look at her dress. What color is her dress?
Her dress is
It's
blue.
okay, yes, that's right. It is blue. What color is her bike?
Is black.
Okay, very good. What color are her socks? Her socks. Socks.
Socks
Yeah, socks.
is white.
Okay, can you say her socks are white?
Socks are white.
Okay, that's right. What color is the bike helmet?
Her helmet
Her bike
is
helmet, it's
yellow.
is it yellow? It looks orange to me. Wait, this is yellow, this is yellow, and this is orange. See, it is orange. Okay, so her bike is her um bike helmet is orange. Now let us have this one. Okay, can you tell me what color is it, she?
Is purple.
Okay, yes, it's purple. My jacket is purple, but it's not actually really just a jacket, but we can say it is a coat. Specifically, it is for cold weather or season. Okay, just like winter. Now, next one. Do you know what this is? The green one.
Lunchbox.
Yeah, lunchbox. My lunchbox is green. Okay, now next one. What about this one?
This is brown backpack.
Okay, yes. My backpack is brown. Now what about this one?
This
It's
is a orange pencil case.
very good. What about this one?
This is a pink notebook.
Okay, yes, that's correct. Thank you. Now let us have this. Okay, can you tell me what color is the notebook? What color is the notebook?
The notebook is green.
What color is the jacket?
The jacket is brown.
What color is the pencil case?
Pencil case
Ayun.
is purple.
Very good. What color is the backpack?
The backpack is orange.
What color is the lunchbox?
The lunch box is pink.
Okay, that's right. Thank you. Now let us have this one. And you have to tell me what color it is, okay? So, what's this, and what color are they?
This is blue.
These are
These are blue shoes.
okay, very good. Now what about this one?
This
What's this? What's
green
this?
cup.
Okay, yes, this is a green cup. What's this?
This is a brown notebook.
Very good. What's this?
This is a purple bag.
Helmet. Helmet. Bike
Helmet.
helmet. Okay, that's right now. What's this?
This is black
Coat.
coat.
Yes, that's right. And what's this?
This is
Bye.
orange bike.
Okay, yes, thank you, she. So now let us have this. What's this, she?
This is yellow bike.
Okay, now next one, what's this?
This is
These are
these are purple shoes.
very good. What's this?
This is blue coat.
Okay, very good. And what's this?
This is green bike helmet.
Very good. And what's this?
This is orange car.
Okay, thank you, she. Now let us have this one. Okay. What is this, she?
This is a brown bear.
Very good. That's correct. Now what about this one? Do you know what this is? No, it's a tire or a wheel.
This is a black tire.
Okay, yes, that's correct. She, what about this one?
This is a yellow banana.
Okay, what about this? It is a vegetable.
Uh, this is a purple vegetable.
Mm-hmm. When we say vegetable, that is very general, she. This is an eggplant. 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 Okay, so a purple eggplant. What about this one? Do you know it? It's it's a pail. Pail.
This is the blue pill.
Okay, yes, that's correct. What about the partner of this one? She that looks like this. What is it? Do you know? What is it?
Mhm.
Do you know?
Um,
Dipper. Oh no, not that one. The thing. No, not it. Not it. This is not the dipper. Okay. So here is the pail and here is the dipper. Okay, so now next one. She next one. Okay, so what about this?
this is a blue butterfly.
Okay, what about this one?
This is a red strawberry.
Okay, yes, that's correct. What about this one? I'm not really sure what this is.
I, I know.
What is it, she? Do you know this one?
Yes, this is a yellow lemon.
Oh, okay. So it is. Okay, yes, it's a yellow lemon, though it doesn't look like a lemon at all. Okay, now next one, she. What about this?
This is a this is a uh brown
Brown.
brown chocolate milk.
Yes, brown chocolate. You call it hot chocolate, right? Yes, that is right. She, it's correct. What is your favorite food, she? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is a chicken.
Oh, chicken. What about your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is a milk tea.
Oh, milk tea. Well, that's delicious. She, really delicious. Did you eat your lunch already, she? Did you eat lunch?
Yes.
Yes. What did
Yes.
you eat for lunch?
I ate uh
Did you eat rice?
mm,
No. What did you eat? Banh
I don't
mi, pho. What did you eat?
I don't know in English.
Oh, you don't know it in English, but I'm familiar with some of the Vietnamese food. She, like, for example, pho, banh mi. I'm familiar with those food. Okay, so now I believe that is all it for our class today. So on Saturday we'll continue with the rest of the lessons. Thank you so much for your time, She. Goodbye. Stay safe, She.